Hey, what's up guys, Martin Unix here and welcome again to another educative tutorial. Today is gonna be a beginner's style guys. I'm gonna show you on how to do stylish barrel twist lines with low ponytail, which is gonna be twist out low ponytail. So welcome guys. Alright guys, now we are going to do a stylish barrel twist lines to the back with a twist out ponytail at the back. Guys, is the way to go about it. Just pick your strands in a stylish way guys. But guys, you are starting at that far end, that way. That's the way to go about it. That way guys. Remember guys, we have been doing barrel twists, so this time around guys, now we are doing it on long and lengthy dreadlocks. All the way to the back guys. Okay. After this particular area guys, where now we are going to secure loosely using one of the strands. That way guys, loosely. That's our first barrel twist line. Let's do another one guys. Remember that guys, our barrel lines, that is the barrel twist, will be curvy all the way to the back. Just trying to come up with a stylish way without following the cornrows guys. Remember not to cause tension on the scalp guys as you work backwards. Remember guys, we are trying to be stylish. That way. It's a quick style for beginners. So I want to urge you guys to keep on subscribing, like my work, comment positively guys, and share to your friends. Now guys, just to balance our style, I'm going to do another line at the left side. All the way to the back. Then I'm gonna secure loosely, see one of the strands. That way guys. It's gonna be a nice look all the way to the back. urge you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, guys. Stay locked for more tutorials to come. You can as well, guys, share my work on your platforms so that we can reach as many people as possible. That way, just secure loosely at the back. You see one of the strands, and that's my final section, guys. That way. Remember, guys, these are just stylish. These are just stylish parade twist lines, which lies loose on the scalp surface. That way. All the way back. Then you can bring together the rest of the barrels as our finishing kick. Okay. So you sure, guys, secure loosely. So now, guys, we are going to do a rope twist on our remaining strands. So now, guys, we are going to do twist outs here. It's our finishing kick, just to enhance beauty on our style. That way, guys, that's how you do rope twist. It's very simple, guys, and it's a quick style, and it's a nice style, guys, for lengthy locks which has got some volume all the way back. So after reaching this point, guys, just wrap around some of the strands. That way, guys, just to affirm the ending tip, the ending area, guys. That way. Then I'm gonna create a loop here. As our securing means. That way, guys. So, guys, I'm going to show you on how to manage these strands which seem to be poking out of the rope twist. So we said you just pick the longer strand, wrap it around that way. Just need to create a loop here. So that way, guys, pick this strand here and pull it through, just to act as a stopper. That way. So the poking out strands, guys, just pull them inside the style that way. Pick this one, pull it, guys, inside the style. disguising its appearance that way. Then you just pick this one using your crochet, pull it inside that way. You see how the front looks. Guys, just to realign my pony to a low pony, I'm just gonna secure it here using yarn that way. I'm gonna secure it here that way, guys. And it's wow, guys, it's a nice look. You can have a look. It's a nice style. We have done some few, barrel twist lines at the skirt surface, and then we have done a finishing kick by doing a loft twist here, since our lock strands have got some length. And it's a nice style, guys. I want to urge you to try out this one to your clients who have got long dreadlocks. It's wow. Thank you guys for watching. I know it has been informative to our beginners. It's a nice stylish way of coming up with those barrel twists on long dreadlocks. Guys, I want to urge you to try out this one. I know you can perfect that. And don't forget to share my work to your friends. Welcome, guys, and stay locked.